Hi, Adam. First of all, I would like to apologize for the delay. As I had told you, we had a family emergency, and because of that, I was not able to make this video audit. But in any event, I would like to first of all apologize, and yeah, let's get started. So, first of all, I really like your website and what you guys are trying to do. I think it is a very unique real estate brokerage that you guys have. But the problem that I saw with your real estate brokerage, and the reason why we know that you are missing out on a lot of leads that you can potentially get, is because you are not ranking on the first page of Google. Now, let me show you. If I go to Google, and I were to type in, say, brokers Toronto, which I would assume is a very competitive keyword and something that you would want to rank for. You see, we see these guys over here, and these guys, of course, are paying per click. So you see where it says ad, that means that's a Google, a paid ad, a sponsored ad. But that's not where you want to be ranking for ideally. You would ideally want to be ranking in this spot here, which we call the organic listings. Reason for that is it's a lot cheaper in the long term to rank here. You don't have to pay every time someone clicks. At the same time, your traffic, most of the traffic comes over here. Actually, studies show that more than 90% of the traffic skips these listings over here because, of course, everyone knows that they're paying to be up there. Now, your competition here, we're just going to do a very brief audit. Of course, there's a lot more technical stuff that goes behind ranking factors that I'm not going to get into because, frankly speaking, it's not very easy to do that in a matter of a few minutes. We're going to see why this guy is ranking. And we are going to, so Harvey Callis Real Estate. And the reason is simple, well, that we can see right off the bat, is they have a lot more backlinks than you have. I'm going to get into your website's backlinks in a bit. So this is a tool that I use to figure out how many backlinks you're getting. And backlinks are basically votes. What are backlinks? Backlinks are basically links coming back to your website. There's, of course, that's just put in, a very general term. There's a lot of other factors that go behind backlinks, whether it's a do follow link or a no follow link, which I'm not going to get into those technicalities. But as we can see, they have 4.13K backlinks and 171 domains that are referring to them, which is significantly a significantly higher number compared to the amount of backlinks that you guys have at the moment. Now we'll also go and see who else do we have here that's on the first page. Oh, Freeman Realty. And I went and checked out his backlinks as well. He has 74 referring domains, which is great. And he has 600 backlinks. Not a lot, but he has 74 referring domains, which is he's getting links from 74 different websites, which is also a high number. And then we have, pretty much these are the two guys that I did. Of course, there are a lot more competitors. And now I went on your website and coreassets.ca. You have 230 backlinks, but they're only coming from 18 domains. Not a lot of domains compared to the other guys. In the other examples, we had 171 and 70 something. We also had, Ellie Davis that I did. Sorry, I forgot to mention Ellie Davis. Ellie Davis has 1.85, so 1,850 referring domains, which is a very, very high number of referring domains. So that means there's a lot of backlinks, and of course that's why we see that she has 39,000 backlinks. She lost 7,000, so they're definitely doing something wrong there, which is why they're losing a lot of links. But that's basically why you guys do not have the rankings that you guys would want. Now, what does this mean in terms of traffic? in terms of traffic, I went into the Google Keyword Planner tool, and we put in a few keywords. And again, these are just, this is just to get an idea. This is not a full audit that we go through. This is just a brief audit for you to have kind of an understanding as to what it is that you are missing out on. And you see here, well, this is just a very broad keyword, so we don't care about that, but that's in Toronto alone, so we're only doing Toronto. You have 260 people. These are monthly searches, by the way, your average monthly searches, so the amount of searches every single month on average. So real estate brokerages, Toronto, 260. Toronto real estate, 27,000 apartments for in Toronto. So as you can see here, this is a lot of traffic. We're looking at search volumes in the thousands. Now, not all of these keywords are going to be relevant to you, but even a small percentage of these thousands of keywords is a big number and a big return on investment when you're in front of these people who are actively looking for your service. That's why search is such a valuable tool, because you can be in front of those people that are actively looking for your service, and we can gauge their intent by search. Well, anyway, you know what, Adam, I'm not going to get into too much details here. I think you have a beautiful website. I think what you guys are doing is very unique, and I would really look forward to working with you. And if you can, let me know what time works for you, and we'll schedule a meeting. We'll schedule we'll figure out what it is exactly that are the challenges that you guys are facing. And if you want, I can actually map out a plan for you that will go over exactly how to get those links, how to get that traffic that your competition currently is taking away from you. And we'll go over that. So if you can let me know what day and time works for you, I'll be more than happy to share those things with you. Thank you so much, Adam, and have a wonderful day.